I'm sure you've seen something like this before, a LEGO Star Wars Ultimate Collector's Series display plaque. LEGO has been using these display plaques for quite some time now, but more recently, they've started to include minifigures into the build. But what if you wanted to display other minifigures in your collection, just like this? Well, today, I'm going to show you just how to do that. To start off, you're going to need a basic plate, with enough room to fit all the minifigures that you want to display on it. Then, you're going to need a few of these modified 2x2 tiles that only have studs on one side. When you place these tiles onto your plate, make sure that you alternate which side the studs are on from front to back. This ensures that no matter which minifigures you have, they have enough space to be next to each other without bumping into one another. This technique works with minifigures like astromech droids as well. Just make sure that when you put the tiles down, you have them facing outwards on each side so that they have enough room for each astromech leg. And if you have any minifigures that only take up one stud, just make sure to leave enough room between your modified tiles for a 1x1 plate and a 1x1 tile, and then you're all set.